Hi, welcome on How to Write an Office in Java in 30 Days. My name is Anthony Gubar and today we're going to talk about files. This is day 15. So files, that means creating a new file, opening a file, saving the file. You also need to do a save as if you want to save the file under another name, and then you also need to close the file. So first, creating a new file. So in NetBeans you have new if you're in the NetBeans IDE, but you always need to have a project, and it's the same thing if you're using the NetBeans platform. At the moment you can only use the new action within a project context. So there was already as when you're using an office you don't want to create first a project then to create a new file. There was already a bug field, and I'd like to thank Sam Howell for fixing it. Unfortunately, it's a bit late for me because I'm using a NetBeans version which doesn't have this feature in it, so I'm still gonna need to create my own new action. So create a new action, I need also to search for all the templates that are declared for the office. So this is a new file action. You see it contains quite a lot of methods because you need to do a lot of different things. You need first to show the file chooser so that the person can choose the directory. Then you need to get the list of templates. Then when the person has chosen the name, then you need to copy the template into the file. You need to open then the file and a lot of other different things. So to find the files, I just need to look in the directory. It's a bit like for action, listing all the action in a directory, and then I will add all the templates in there. So once I've found all the data objects from the directory in the layer XML, then I can get the extension of the file of the template, and then I can add it to the JFile chooser. Then we need to create the file from there. So the file is created just by copying the input stream of the template to the file. And then to open a file in a NetBeans platform application, you need to find first the data object for the file, then you need to find an open cookie for there, and then you just can call the open method of the open cookie. Now, open a file, so you saw a bit, but it has also a existing action in NetBeans, so just reuse this one. And you need to have indeed for all your data objects, for example, XLS files, you need to implement the open cookie. And then it will work automatically within the NetBeans IDE. You also have the open support, which implements the open cookie, which is a bit better. So here I have my Office open support, which implements also open cookie. And then just create the cookie where it asks for the opener. And it will create a clonable top component from there. And here we go. Then we need to close. And close is not simply calling the close method because maybe you have edited the file and then you need to ask the user whether you want to save the file before closing the file. So you need to override the close last method because we are in a clonable top component in this case. And then we need to ask the user, and depending on the action, whether you want to save the file. Yes, no, cancel. You need to save and close, or just cancel everything. Now the save, it's a bit quite similar to open. You need to have a save cookie from there. If the data object doesn't have a save cookie, then even the save button won't be enabled for it. So here I have just a save method for the save cookie, and you just get the file, the Java IO file, and just save into this file. There is also, you need to set the document as not modified anymore. Save as is quite similar. You need there to implement, it's not a cookie, but you have a save as capable interface just implement this interface and it will call a save as method. And then it's the same thing, just save, get the file, and then just save to there. For more details, I will encourage you to look at the source code when it's going to be released on May 22nd, 2013. Then when everything is done, it's quite generic. It's not specific to a spreadsheet or to the presentation. So the only thing that is specific is opening, creating the top component from the file that you've opened or that you've newly created, and also saving your document into a real file. So the only thing that you need to do is to implement these two methods, open and save, and all the rest is done as quite generic in the Joffice. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll enjoy the others video. Bye.